Hey guys, in this video we're taking a closer look at a gaming chair that has been turning heads for its combination of comfort, style, and affordability, the Razer Enki X. If you have been looking for a gaming chair that offers solid ergonomics, a premium look, and doesn't cost a small fortune, this might just be what you're looking for. In this review we'll break down the design, comfort, build quality, and overall value of the Razer Enki X to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Also, the link to this chair will be included in the video description below. Now, first things first, let's talk about the overall design of the Razer Enki X. One glance and you can tell that Razer has stuck to its signature sleek, gamer-centric aesthetic. The chair comes in a mix of a synthetic leather and fabric, giving it a premium look without going over the top. The design strikes a balance between being gaming-focused and professional enough for an office setup, which is a nice touch if you're using it in a shared or multi-purpose space. The chair features Razer's classic black and green color scheme, but if the neon green is in your style, there is also an all-black version that keeps things understated. The Razer logo is subtly embossed on the headrest and backrest, giving it a clean, branded look without being too flashy. The overall design screams Razer, but in a more refined way, which I think a lot of people will appreciate. Now let's get into comfort, which is arguably the most important aspect of any chair. Razer has made comfort a big selling point for the Enki X, and it shows. The seat base is wide and accommodating, designed to support users of different body types. One thing I noticed right away is how well the cushion balances softness with firmness. It's plush enough to feel cozy for long gaming sessions, but firm enough to provide the support you need to maintain good posture. The backrest on the Enki X is another highlight. It has a built-in lumbar curve that supports your lower back without the need for an external lumbar pillow. This feature is particularly great for those who want a streamlined look and doesn't want to deal with adjusting extra cushions. The backrest also offers a generous recline range of up to 152 degrees. Whether you are leaning forward during an intense match or kicking back to watch a movie, the recline functionality feels smooth and secure. The headrest is non-adjustable, but its placement works well for most average height users. However, if you are taller than 6 feet, you may find that the headrest sits a little too low to be functional. That said, the chair's overall ergonomics are impressive for its price point. It feels like Razer has taken the time to think about how the chair will support your body during long hours of use. One of the standout features of the Enki X is its use of dual textured materials. The outer edges of the chair are wrapped in synthetic leather for durability, while the central seat and backrest use a soft, breathable fabric. This combination not only enhances the chair's visual appeal but also helps with temperature regulation. If you are gaming or working for hours on end, you won't feel like you are overheating, which is a common issue with all leather chairs. Let's move on to build quality. For a mid-range gaming chair, the Razer Enki X is built surprisingly well. The frame is made of durable steel, which gives the chair a sturdy, solid feel. There is minimal wobble or creaking, even when you are reclining or shifting your weight. The synthetic leather and fabric materials are tightly stitched and feel premium to the touch. It's clear that Razer hasn't skimped on the details here. The chair is rated to support up to 136 kilograms or about 300 pounds, which makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The base is made of nylon, and while it's not as heavy-duty as metal bases found in higher-end chairs, it still feels robust enough for everyday use. The casters roll smoothly on both carpet and hard floors, making it easy to move the chair around without much effort. By the way, prices on this chair update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's talk about adjustability. The Enki X offers a fair amount of customization, but it does fall short of some higher-end models in this category. The armrests, for example, are 2D, meaning you can adjust them up and down or slide them forward and backward, but there is no ability to pivot or move them sideways. While this might not be a deal breaker for most, it's worth noting if you are someone who likes fully adjustable armrests. The recline mechanism, as mentioned earlier, works well and and feel smooth. You can lock the backrest at your desired angle or leave it in free mode to rock back and forth. The seat height is also adjustable and the lever feels sturdy and responsive. Overall, while the adjustability isn't as extensive as you would find in premium gaming chairs, it's more than enough to help most users find a comfortable position. Now let's talk about who this chair is for. If you're a casual gamer, a student, or someone who works from home and wants a comfortable, stylish chair that won't break the bank, the Razer Enki X is an excellent choice. It's especially appealing if you are a fan of Razer's aesthetic and want a chair that matches your other gaming gear. However, if you're looking for a chair with all the bells and whistles like 4D armrests or a full memory foam cushion setup, you may need to look at higher end options. One thing I really like about the Enki X is that it offers great value for its price. Priced at around $300, it's more affordable than many other gaming chairs with similar features. It's clear that Razer has tried to strike a balance between quality and affordability, and for the most part, they have succeeded. The chair feels premium enough to compete with higher price models, yet it's accessible for those who don't want to spend a fortune. Of course, no product is perfect, and the Enki X does have a few downsides. As mentioned earlier, the armrest could be more adjustable, and the headrest might not work well for taller users. Additionally, while the dual material design is great for temperature control, it might not be as easy to clean as an all-leather chair. If you are someone who eats or drinks at your desk, you will want to be careful to avoid spills on the fabric. So what's the final verdict on the Razer Enki X? In my opinion, this is one of the best mid-range gaming chairs you can buy right now. It offers a great mix of comfort, style, and durability, all at a price that won't leave your wallet empty. While it's not perfect, the Enki X delivers on its promise of providing a comfortable and supportive gaming experience without breaking the bank. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their setup without going overboard. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up this chair, or you will stick with what you already have? So guys, that's it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on this chair. See you in the next one.